Hello all. Today in this video we are going to talk about CAT exam. So let me tell you about first of all CAT. When I first time heard about this CAT word, I really laughed at that moment. By the time passes I got to know what is CAT, why we write CAT exam and etc. So now in this video I'm going to share all those things and all my experiences. So basically CAT exam stands for Common Assessment Test. So normally CAT exam, we write CAT exam to get into managemental courses in our post graduation. There are many courses in post graduation. You will get to know afterwards. After writing your exam, according to the rank, you will be graded according to it. So you can after elect your course. Similarly, CAT exam, there are other exams which are like XAT, NMAT, SNAP, IIFT and etc. So you may wonder what are all these things. These are like the separate exams which are conducted by a particular organization. If I tell you a small example, like JEE mains is conducted all over India, but BITSAT is conducting its own exam, just like XAT, NMAT, SNAP and etc. There are not only four, there are another five I think. There are another five things. They conduct exams separately. It may vary. The difficulty may be more higher than CAT exam, or it may be more lesser than that. It depends. Now let's come to the first point. It is valid for only 1 year. That means if you are writing CAT exam in 1 year, in the next year, if you want to join, like you're free for 1 year and you want to join in the next year, but that doesn't happen. If you are writing the CAT exam for this year, you can only join this year only. You can only do PG in this year only, but not the next year. For doing it next year, you have to write the CAT exam again. So remember that, guys, because there are many people who just show their previous year's CAT scores, which is not legible at all. And next point is, for qualifying in CAT exam, you should at least have a 50% for OC candidates and for 40% for other people. And now let's go to syllabus. So syllabus is very simple. It's not like a GATE exam. The syllabus is very easy. There are total 100 questions here, and total marks for 100 marks. Sorry, 300 marks. And these are CAT exam is divided into 3 sections, which is verbal ability and reading comprehension. Verbal ability and reading comprehension, logical reasoning and data interpretation, and qualitative aptitude. So these are not exactly equal but almost equal, because there are actually main 3 sections in CAT exam. So if you want to know further about the CAT exam, what are the questions about it, you have so many stuff again in YouTube, you can look into it. So but in this video I'm just going to overview of this CAT exam. Now let's jump into preparation. So it's not like in a GATE exam. You can easily prepare for CAT exam not more than 2 months. It hardly takes some 300 to 500 hours. If you even daily study for 10 hours, you can easily complete in 1.5 month. But that's not the case in CAT exam. So yes, it's true that you can complete everything in 1.5 month, but you have to split those 300 to 500 hours equally into 6 or 7 months. CAT requires at least 6 months of preparation to crack it, and you have to be very patient. You have to do practice daily, and we will see the tips here. So for preparation, you have to practice daily, which is compulsory. You have to practice to reading comprehension daily, to data interpretation. Regarding data interpretation, there are very vast type of questions they can be asking very deeply. So everyday practice is very important. And in the second point is newspaper daily. So I personally recommend you to read newspaper daily, because that can change your exam. Because if I talk about verbal ability and reading comprehension, we don't know whether it is true or not. If we daily read newspaper, then we will be aware of current affairs, and that can make you exam pass, or at least you can qualify for 40%. So don't neglect reading newspaper daily, which is a game changer. Now the third point is revision of formulas. and of course you will be maintaining a small book or paper to write everyday formulas, and you should revise it every day. I know many of the people already do this thing, but I just want to mention here again because there are so many people who don't know about that. So please maintain a small sheet of paper and write formulas every day. And and after that you have to open those formulas daily, and you have to revise every day, because this makes into fix into your mind. Okay, you can even tell those formulas even in your dream. So these are the three important things if you want to crack CAT exam. And now I have mentioned some top IIMs here. So these are the top IIMs: Ahmedabad at 1, Calcutta, Bangalore, Lucknow, Indore, Kazikode. These actually I have mentioned separately top 6 because they were standing in top 6 from last 5 years. They're not even changing their places. So these are the top IIMs. So please target into top 6 IIMs here. Even I want to tell you that managemental courses should be done in top colleges only, like this top 6. If you are getting any small college somewhere, then it will be tough for you. So this is all about CAT exam. If you want more deeper about what is CAT and what is about the syllabus, what are types of questions, examples of it, then please do comment in the comment section, and please let me know how's the video. At last, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, because I'm making series of after BTech, like what are the exam opportunities after BTech, not only college placements, but you have so many other things to do. So I'm making this series. So for this I need your motivation, so please do like my video, and then thank you.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit.